Welcome to Cabarrus This Week. I'm Kasha Thompson, and you're getting an inside look at the Cabarrus County Emergency Operations Center, or EOC. The EOC opened on March 27th to help facilitate needs addressed in the March 26th State of Emergency Declaration related to COVID-19. Staff in the EOC support emergency response, business continuity, and crisis communications activities. By gathering the decision makers together and supplying them with the most current information, better decisions can be made. We sat down with Cabarrus County Emergency Management Director Bobby Smith to learn more about the functions they're currently undertaking to support COVID-19 response in Cabarrus County.
An Emergency Operations Center is a location that local governments use to bring in county and city agencies, outside partners, to collaborate during a wide-scale event or emergency. It's a place that we can all come together, do our planning and preparedness, and also try to orchestrate our response and recovery efforts. As the COVID-19 situation started evolving in Cabarrus County, our partners at Cabarrus Health Alliance were operating their Public Health Command Center, and we placed our personnel in there during the initial phases of the operations to help coordinate events between the county, municipalities, state and federal agencies, and the Health Alliance. As more resources were needed and more things were needed to support that public health component and healthcare component, we made the decision about 2 weeks ago to open our County Emergency Operations Center. So we brought in multiple partners in here. We're here daily to just support and plan for and enhance the operations that are going on in our first responder, healthcare, and public health communities so that they can focus on that main mission, and we can contribute by making sure they have the support and resources that they need to continue to do that. We have the Cabarrus Health Alliance here. We have representatives from Atrium Health, County Emergency Management, County Fire Services. We also have representatives from Human Services, as well as our Transportation Department. For this event, we're trying to practice social distancing because we all know that's important. So we have not brought in as many partners as we normally would at one time. We have a lot going on virtually that we can deal with, so that's benefited us greatly. You know, as always, we've had a consistent message about what we need to do to get through this. We need to stay home unless it's absolutely essential that we have to be out, because that's what it's going to take to flatten the curve. So you're all part of the one team right now, every one of us, and we can do that by following the directions from CDC, from our local health departments, and from our government agencies that are there to help us flatten this curve so that we can get through this sooner. But it's going to take all of us to do that.
Thanks, Bobby. We're lucky to have a great emergency management plan and team in Cabarrus County. It's only made better by the collaboration we're seeing between the county and our municipalities. A few weeks ago, solid waste providers limited collection of bulk items. This, along with greater use of residential solid waste and recycling, has increased demand on Cabarrus County's landfill on Irish Potato Road. The facility remains open for essential needs. Solid Waste Sustainability Manager Kevin Grant has great information that will help you make the most of those essential visits to the landfill.
Just want to tell folks that we've been experiencing very large crowds at our construction and demolition landfill and recycling convenience center. We're trying to reduce the number of people coming through here, trying to promote social distancing at our facility. Only bring essential residential waste to us at this time. Essential waste is going to be your typical kitchen waste, stuff that you're putting in a bag, stuff that if it sits around it creates an odor problem, stuff that you're cleaning out of your garage, just old stuff really is not essential and really can wait until we get through with this situation. We're only accepting credit and debit cards at this time, no cash. That's also to promote safety on our part, not only here with our employees, but with our finance department. Saturdays we're experiencing very, very large crowds, which is increasing your wait time. It's taking 30 to 45 minutes to get through here. It's also creating backups on Irish Potato Road, which is creating a dangerous situation with regards to traffic. So please, if possible, visit us during the week, Monday through Friday. We're open 8 to 5, and only essential if you have to come on Saturday.
Thanks, Kevin. We're coming to you from the Cabarrus County Emergency Operations Center with an update on COVID-19 information. If you only take away one message, remember to stay home and stay healthy. We're asking folks in Cabarrus County to add this frame to your Facebook profiles. Stay committed to the health of your family and the health of the community. If you must go out for essential services, remember to only send one person and wear a cloth face cover. Right now, face masks and covers are hard to find. If you don't have access to a professionally made mask or sewing machine to make your own, the U.S. Surgeon General has a homegrown suggestion. All you need is a tight weave t-shirt and rubber bands. Let's take a look.
Here's how you can make your own face covering in a few easy steps with items you can find around the house, like an old scarf, a bandana or a hand towel, or you can make a face covering out of an old t-shirt. Fold it to the middle from the bottom, fold it to the middle from the top, fold it again to the middle from the bottom, and again from the top, and then 2 rubber bands, one on one side and one on the other side. Then you fold either side to the middle, and you have yourself cloth face covering. It's that easy.
Remember, you could be a carrier of COVID-19 without showing symptoms. Stay home. If you must go out for essential services, wear a mask. Well, that's our show for today. Thanks to Bobby and Kevin for sharing those important messages. Learn about these and other hot topics on our newsletter. To sign up, go to cabarruscounty.us and type newsletter in the search bar. Also, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Cabarrus County. Catch our other programs, including Cam's Kitchen, Historical Moments, and more, streaming live at cabarruscounty.us/CabcoTV, or download the Screenweave app for Roku and Apple. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next week. Take care.